Mobile robots and autonomous vehicles are a growing segment, finding applications in supply chain logistics and manufacturing. We took the opportunity to sit down with Mobile Industrial Robots to take a look at their latest line of mobile robots.
So today we're at IMTS showing all of our products, which is the Mir 100, the Mir 200, and our newest product we just released, which is a Mir 500. That's what we're seeing behind me. It's our new high-load, high-capacity robot. And we're showing an application here where we're automating the loading and unloading of pallets. The mobile robots have use cases really anywhere in internal manufacturing. So anytime people are carrying, pushing, or pulling product between processes is a great use case for our robots. However, in the last couple of years, we've seen a big interest with companies looking to eliminate forklifts driving around the inner operations of manufacturing. The idea here is to keep forklifts on the external areas of manufacturing, loading docks, pallet rack areas, and staging product, and then having autonomous robots pick up these products and effectively, efficiently, and safely bring them into the inner workings of manufacturing and drop them off for production. So mobile robots are fully autonomous. That's what we're building today. We're building a product called an AMR, an autonomous mobile robot, and the product is really designed and developed to completely autonomously navigate itself around a facility. And what that means is if obstacles come into view of the robot, we can sense that and safely navigate around it or down a completely different route to get to that endpoint. Quieter, safer, you have less collisions with machinery, things like that, and it's robotic. I talk about it in a three-step process. So it's kind of step one is you got to create a map of your environment. There's two ways to create a map. You can drive the robot around, it can create its map on its own, or you can import a two-dimensional CAD drawing and use that as a basis to create your map. Step two in the process is you define positions. So positions are points that you want the robot to go to, pick up and drop off positions. And step three is a simple mission, and you can have hundreds of missions to take the robot between any of the pre-taught positions. Okay, so once you've got those three steps done, it's just a matter of executing a particular mission when you want a task to be done. So missions can be called by a human operator, and they could be called by a higher level enterprise system. Okay, so calling could be done in many different ways. You can have an HMI directly on a robot where you can call missions. You can have call boxes. You can have any type of interface with a smart device can call missions. Then from an enterprise system, you can have a server package called our fleet system. And that's a software that sits on a company network that manages multiple robots. That can easily interface to higher level enterprise systems like SAP and look at inventory levels and production rates and autonomously send signals to our fleet to call particular missions.